If you're over 45 and want everything walkable, then you're going to love living in a community that is right across the street from Two Eagles Golf Course. You're in a newer gated community, just minutes away from groceries, coffee, and everyday shopping. Inside, you got 2 bedrooms plus a den and a fully move-in ready layout. And when you want to be social, the clubhouse is where the neighbors actually hang out. And if you want to come see this in person, book your showing today.